been a bit slack on the content lately, and not because I haven't been doing much, but I've just been out driving the old cruiser, to be honest. Thanks mate, took a couple of weeks out, took the office mobile for a couple of weeks, went out to Longreach and played around out there, and I did have a little bit of an issue with the battery, but we've talked about that in the last video during the 12 volt. And then went down and visited dear old mum and dear old nan for a couple of weeks in Port Macquarie, and had a bit of a tour around there and did a lovely beach drive and a few other bits and pieces like that. But one small problem that I had is I have no way of really capturing content. So I bought one of those. I've actually bought a few cheap crap things off Wish and a few places here and there. But I've taken the big leap and bought a Mini 2. So DJI Mavic Mini 2. So actually, I'm just about to open the thing. I bought the Flymore pack, my local Hardly Normal. Just got them in. Obviously, I don't get paid for any sponsorship or any of that junk. But I picked this particular drone for a couple of reasons. One is it records in 4K, two, sub $1,000, and I bought the Flymore kit, which has 3 batteries and it has USB charging. So again, no need to use the oversized inverter, but yeah, very, very cool. So I just thought I'll start a video today. It is a Friday, and I'm probably going to go camping or adventuring this weekend with Loz. So I thought I'd start a video and just see how it goes. But I might go inside, quickly unpack this bag, and show you what's in a Mini 2 Flymore pack from DJI. Cool. Flymore. Why is it called a Flymore? You get 3 batteries. That's basically it. So you can fly more. So everything, got a great little spot for everything as well. The controller, excellent. Makes it easy to control the drone. For quick reference, I've used a cheap Chinese drone that I paid $40 for. I'm not a very good drone operator, but I actually believe it's the drone, not so much the flyer in this particular case. That's the drone there. Obviously comes with a blade protector on this in the second model, which is great, so you don't have the blades flopping around. That's really cool. Got a few stickers to take off. Gimbal protector as well. You obviously take that off when you're flying. Lovely box full of accessories, which are the phone plug connector pieces. The iPhone. So obviously that goes in the top part. So one of these unplugs and the other one plugs in. Yep. The reason I bought the Flymore pack, 3 batteries. I think that's pretty cool. 31-minute flight time. Oh, why do they do that? Why would you? I mean, I understand why, so it doesn't get scratched, but so much crap packaging. Obviously, wall plug. It's into that box. And don't tell me there's distractions. I just realised I don't have a micro USB for it. I better go see what's in my DSLR camera. Yep, definitely the distractions. But there's a couple of great videos on YouTube on how these things operate. So, anywho, no, nothing. Bit of silica gel. But yeah, great little pack. Great little drone. I'll probably just wrap this up, put a bit of content out because it's been a bit of time anyway, and I might drop another one next week at some point, probably. Just with hopefully a bit of a mission, maybe a bit of live tracking. Not, or it doesn't track, I've actually got to follow the car, but you'll get the picture anyway. And see how it all pans out, plays out. So hopefully I can do that because I haven't crashed it or lost it or whatever it might be, but there's a bunch of sexy, cool things that actually stop you from really losing it. So fingers crossed, we can create some pretty cool content. So anyway, if you haven't, like and subscribe. I think we're about to crack 100 viewers. But